Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. Today I'm going to show you how to make this a DIY woven scarf. Out of the denim yarn that we made last week, I made this beautiful scarf. It's short, so I can stick a button here, or I can use a pin from my pin collection and keep it pinned shut, or I just looped it around itself and did that. I like that too. Super cute and super fun. I'll show you how to do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cardboard and we're gonna nip into here about ½ an inch apart, and we'll go about as wide as I wanted it. It was like 5 inches. And I'm gonna start drawing my ½ inch marks with my clear grid ruler so I can make sure I'm super even. I'm gonna do it for 6 inches. That's my last one. Here's my grid. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side of the cardboard, but I have to make sure that the marks are parallel. Yikes, wish me luck. The way you do that is measure from the side where you started. So I started 5 inches from this edge. Come in and cut these. I have sissy fingers, so I can't actually like cut it. Scissors are weak. Okay. I've got all my cuts done, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start threading my warp along the cardboard. I want about 5 inches to hang off for fringe. I'm just going to tie a knot so it's about 5 inches. I'm going to hook it into the cardboard, just like that. I'm going to pull it taut, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Pull on it a little, tie a knot here, and hook it into this slot. I'm gonna keep tying knots and keep warping my loom. Ooh, I need to cut these slits deeper. I'm struggling pretty hard. I think I need to cut the slits deeper, and that'll solve some of my troubles. Now that I've cut the slits deeper, it's going so much faster. Cut your slits pretty deep, like 1 inch. I balled up my Sari yarn so it's easier to pass through. I didn't make my balls too big. Now I'm gonna start weaving. It's just under, over, just a simple plain weave. And now we're just gonna keep building on. So I was under, now I go over, and I go under this one. Whew, it's gonna be tricky. I believe in you. Don't pull this too tight, otherwise it'll bow. So you wanna kinda smoosh it in there nice. I finished my weaving. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off the loom. I'm gonna weave in my ends, and then I'm gonna stitch on my end pieces so they stay in the weaving and don't slowly slide out, because it's so loosely woven. I don't want my thing to unravel. This side was a little easier to pop off. There, this. And now I'm going to tie a knot. Just weaving my ends back in through the work behind the other stitches. Following along exactly where I was, but on the back. There, and then I'll cut this off later. And there, it's done! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more upcycle and recycle DIYs. We'll see you next week. Bye.
Okay.